Hi everyone, so today I'm going to be showing you how to replace the rear license plate light bulbs on a 2001 Toyota Corolla. So let's go ahead and get started. So one of the first things you want to do is take your license plate off. Usually it's little 10mm bolts. You just take two of them off, pop it off. Makes it much easier to get them off. The next thing you want to do, if you see under here, you actually have two. You have one on the right, one on the left. And essentially you just take a flat-headed screwdriver and there's a couple of tabs. Basically you just push them in and that'll help you get the plastic out. So go ahead and do that next. So with those tabs out, this whole thing comes down here and essentially you can twist this off and it take out so that this plastic comes off. So go ahead and do that next. So with that plastic off, you just twist this to the left and it loosens it and it pops right out. So you're actually just replacing the bulb, not this whole thing. Usually on headlights you'll replace like this whole thing, it'll click in. On this little bulb comes out. So just be very careful and you can pull it out. You want two hands to hold here and pull it out. So pull this bulb out and you'll replace it with, I believe, a 194 is what fits as a new one. So if you just get that 194 there on these little lamp bulbs, that should be the replacement. Alright, so with that bulb out, you can see the inside, it looks like that. This just slides right in, so go ahead and slide that in and put it all back together. I'll show you, this was the right side, the left side looked kind of different. So I'm going to go ahead and open that up and show you, even though I already replaced it, I thought they would be the same, but they're not. So I'll go ahead and show you that next. So you can see this is what the left side looks like, a little different. This is what I did. I actually took the left off and you're able to disconnect it here and you can twist this off and this will all pop out like that. And then I was able to take this to the store and find the right bulb for it. So anyway, so that is how you replace. So after that, obviously you put everything back together, everything just clicks back in. Go ahead and test it. You don't want to get a ticket for not having your license plate lit up. That's a ticket in a lot of states. So anyways, that is how you replace the license plate light bulbs on a 2001 Toyota Corolla. So hopefully this was helpful, and thanks for watching.